What's up everybody? We're out front of PSA Trucks where we have a used car dealership. We sell accessories, we do chrome delete with the all new body liner, and our team here does a dang good job at it. Behind me is a 2026 F150. It's a regular cab short box, and yes, it is a 5-liter. That's what everybody was wanting to hear, and it is. And we are putting a Whipple Supercharger on it. We're gonna take this F-150 from how a lot of people thought Ford should have built this truck, and we're gonna do it. We're gonna do it the right way. It's getting a lowering kit, it's getting 22-inch wheels, it's getting all tinted out, it's adding a center console to make this thing a 2-seater, and this thing's gonna be the ultimate street truck. So follow us along and watch our team make the ultimate transformation from this work truck to unreal street truck. We got the F-150 in Sean's bay. He's working on the interior. We're turning this thing into the ultimate regular cab. We added the center console. We're adding the Sparco seats that the customer wanted. We're just waiting on the passenger side base, and this truck will be wrapped up for the interior.
So right here we have a 2026 Ford. It's a regular cab short bed. We are putting a lowering kit on it, and right now I just took the leaves out of the truck. I'm taking the U-bolt perch off, and I'm swapping the locator pins in the shims so that we can put the axle or the leaves on top of the axle. Right now we're just gonna take the bump stop spacers out and then install the bump stops right on the frame. So we got the leaf pack in. We put our shims in underneath the leaf pack and the axle. We are going to install the U-bolts and the plate and bolt it right to the axle. So we finished up with the rear for now. Now we're going to move to the front so I can start ripping apart take the knuckle off, get the OEM struts out and the arms, and then we're gonna put in the lowering coilovers and the lowering arms for the truck. So we dismantled the front suspension. Now we're gonna build the coilovers. These are fully adjustable. They have dampening, and we're using Hyperco springs on them. So we just finished building that coilover. I have the old strut here. That is the factory Ford strut. That is the coilover we're putting on. So there's a big height difference, and it's gonna sit really nice when the truck's all done. So here we're almost done installing the rear portion of the lowering kit. We went ahead and put the air ride bags in. We put the track bar system on, and then we put the sway bar on as well. We still have to do the plumbing for the airbags, but everything is about 90% complete.
We're in Jake's bay. You're following him along for the Ridetech lowering kit. He's got that all wrapped up, and we're moving on to the next step. And that next step with a lowered F-150 regular cab short box has to be more horsepower. And we are doing a Whipple Supercharger. Here it is. It's a stage 2, 3-liter Whipple Supercharger that's gonna give this F-150 a lot more horsepower. and it's gonna be an unbelievable ride. So follow Jake along for the install.
So we moved up to the front of the truck now. We're getting ready to add the Whipple Supercharger onto this. We removed the front grille, the air box, and the intake so far. I'm gonna start to work on the pulley system and the coolant system for it, and we'll go from there. So right here, we just showed you guys the Whipple Supercharger. I'm currently just putting the new injectors into the fuel rails, and I'm gonna bolt them onto it. So we just finished putting the bottom portion of the supercharger together. We put all the fittings in, all the gaskets on top and the bottom, and we're getting ready to bolt it in, put all the fuel lines back on, and hook up all the sensors.
We're out front, it's sunny out, and we are finished up the F150 regular cab short box 5-liter Whipple Supercharged. This build was unbelievable. You guys were able to follow it from start to finish, how we took this F150 XL regular short work truck and turned it into the ultimate street truck. This is how Ford should have been building them right from the factory, because this is what everybody wants. Let's go through the build.
I'm pulling up, man, I'm glad we made it. Feels so good to be so rich, ain't gotta worry about it. Why we only doing 30, ain't no
We're gonna
hurry.
start in the most important part with this 5-liter Whipple Supercharged beast. The Whipple Supercharger is the Stage 2 kit. It is the 3-liter, and it's tuned with the Whipple tuning that's gonna get this thing right around 800 horse. On the suspension of this F-150, we swapped it out for a Ridetech performance lowering kit. It has the added Firestone rear airbags, and it's giving it an awesome stance. These 22-inch Vossens with the Nitto 420Vs really kick it off. Since this was the XL, and that's the only way you can get the regular cab short box, it had the black bumpers, had no fender flares, so we painted the bumpers with the all-new body liner and added the fender flares to give it a little bit more beefy stance. The short box, we took it over to the wrap shop, we wrapped the top black, we tinted out the windows to give it an ultimate appearance. With this 5-liter, having the Whipple Supercharger, we had to put an exhaust on it. So that's where MBRP came in clutch. We did the single side dual exit race series exhaust to let you hear this 800 horse the way it should be. With turning this little short box into a street truck, we had to work on the interior, and we bought the Sparco seats and added a center console to make this thing a 2-seater. With that, that wraps up the F-150 build. We actually have Jared here to pick it up today, and we're gonna ask him his first impression. How are you, Jared? Thanks for coming.
Good, man. Well, obviously, I can't get this grin off my face because I'm just seeing the marks behind me here, but got a little squirrely for the first test drive, but that was pretty fun. I'm not gonna lie. This is definitely how Ford should have made the truck from factory. I mean, you couldn't have bought more of a basic truck and then went to the other extreme. So, yeah, pretty neat.
Definitely turned it from a work truck to a truck that everybody wants to drive and have in their driveway. And I think you should be pretty happy with it. Our team was pretty happy with being able to do the build. You guys are gonna be able to watch the full content from start to finish. And we appreciate the business.
Yeah, Brandon, thanks so much.
Thank you.
Appreciate it.